What day are we on? Day 3 or day 4? 4. Welcome to day 4 in Japan. It's not even 7 a.m. and we're on the Shinkansen, the bullet train to Shinkobe, because we're on our way to Nagasaki. So we've got about 7 hours worth of train ride. But because there is no direct train to Nagasaki, we gotta change trains 3 times? 3 times. So we've got 3 hours to Shinkobe in first class. Wow. Should have put her in economy. And then we've got another 2 hours somewhere else, and then 3 hours somewhere else, and then 1 hour to Nagasaki. So we stopped at the shop, as me and Mark used to do 10 years ago. Every single time we got on a really, really long train, and we got our friendly Coke and whiskey, Suntory whiskey, $6 a bottle. So at the convenience store, you can't go wrong. Got myself one of these bento boxes. Funny, it's the same price as the whiskey. Got some snacks with this one. Got a tuna roll, a baby grape juice, some apple juice, and mandarin juice. And Amanda, what did you get?
Got the coffee.
Coffee?
And snacks.
Snacks. Would you like something in your coffee? Amanda's not used to travelling with us. She doesn't understand. We always put something in our coffee. Mike, did we have a something with our coffee in the morning? We certainly had a something in our coffee in the morning. That's why we've got an extra step in our morning run.
Pep in our step.
Hey?
Extra pep in our step.
We've got an extra pep in our step. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We may end up in jail. Alright, that was an awesome 3-hour train trip on the Shinkansen from Tokyo to Shinkobe. We are only here for about 20 minutes, so no time to explore. But check out the photos of this unfortunate individual who fell asleep, and we got some pretty cool shots of her. Here, Amanda, insert pictures here. Shinkobe is supposed to be really cool. I wish we kind of stopped here because they've got a really awesome castle, and there's a gondola, well, like a ropeway right above there, which I can see. It's a really cool train station. We actually had to go through a long tunnel to get here, and we're going to be going through a long tunnel down there to get away from it. And we've got another 3 hours on a train to Shintosu. But this time we couldn't get any seats in first class, so we're in the last carriage.
It's still reserved seating.
It is reserved seating, but it's not. We might get tables though, because the cattle class has tables, so we can swing the seats around and stuff. Might be interesting going backwards or something like that, because it's better for travel sickness. But anyway, beautiful place. It's very hot again today. I assume it's a beautiful place. We're only staying at the train station for 20 minutes. Train number 3. We've got only 7 minutes to change platforms, so this will be interesting.
last time this was the cool train.
This is one of the new Nagasaki expresses. So they're building the Nagasaki railway. They're building the Nagasaki Shinkansen from whatever the hell we are right now to Nagasaki. Yeah, so this is the new Shinkansen Express, Super Express, which goes straight to Nagasaki. We had to stop at the Takio Onsen to go to Nagasaki because they're still building the railway line. 10 years ago, when me and Mark went to Nagasaki, the last train we caught was all the way to Nagasaki, and it was about 3 hours.
Yeah, it was like a local train.
Well, no, it was that one. That one. The one we just caught. Yeah.
Welcome to the Shinkansen.
Yeah. So anyway, that was the train. We caught it all the way to Nagasaki, which took a few hours. Now it's only half an hour to Nagasaki from Takio Onsen. So I assume in another 10 years it'll be all the way from Tokyo you can get to Nagasaki, which will be very awesome. But this new train, which is really cool, I'll record the front in a second. It looks like it was built by IKEA. Check out the seats. Even in first class we can't avoid having babies in here. But yeah, very comfortable, free Wi-Fi, no PowerPoints or anything like that. Oh no. I lied, there are PowerPoints. Very, very comfortable. Are you comfortable?
I am comfortable. This is a very nice train.
We need Coke for the Scotch. We've run out of Coke. Which exactly happened to us 10 years ago here as well.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, not Coke. Anyway, next stop, Nagasaki. We had a discussion whether these seats rotate. They do. They do. I'm glad Japanese people don't care about other people. Well, in their mind, they're probably thinking we're a bunch of idiots.